Is your Tesla Model 3 autopilot malfunctioning? Common culprits include camera obstructions like dirt or ice, incorrect settings, or temporary software glitches. Recent software updates, such as the V12 FSD update, while improving pedestrian detection, can sometimes introduce calibration issues. Hardware wear and environmental factors also play a role. Don't panic. Many issues can be resolved with simple troubleshooting. Autopilot relies on 8 surround view cameras for 360-degree vision. These cameras help the system detect obstacles and navigate safely. A camera obstructed alert on your dashboard is your first clue that something is wrong with the cameras. To fix this, carefully clean each camera lens. Use a microfiber cloth for wiping and compressed air to remove dust. Make sure there are no obstructions like snow, ice, or debris blocking the camera view. Misalignment can also cause problems, but for that, professional recalibration from a Tesla service center is usually needed. A safety system reset can resolve temporary software errors without affecting your data. Park your car in a safe location. Hold down the brake pedal, shift to park, and initiate a power cycle. Wait 5 to 10 minutes for the system to fully restart. This can often clear sensor conflicts that trigger autopilot failures. Tesla releases over-the-air software updates frequently to enhance autopilot capabilities. These updates are downloaded wirelessly to improve features like navigation and safety. If autopilot stops working right after an update, it could be a temporary glitch from the software installation. To troubleshoot, check Tesla forums for known issues. Other owners often post about update glitches and share potential fixes. One fix is to wait for Tesla to release a patch addressing the issue. Alternatively, you can revert to a previous software version through the service menu, though this might remove recent improvements. For stuck updates, try restarting the vehicle or seek help from Tesla support to resolve the download issue. Many autopilot issues can be resolved with DIY troubleshooting, saving you time and money. Tesla's support app now guides users through common fixes. However, for more complex problems or persistent camera misalignment, consult a certified Tesla technician. Free diagnostic scans are available via the app to help determine the issue. Before we conclude, here are some important reminders and safety considerations for using Tesla Autopilot. Autopilot is classified as an advanced driver assistance system, not a fully autonomous vehicle. It operates at level 2 autonomy, meaning it requires constant driver supervision and is not designed for hands-free driving in all conditions. Always remain attentive and be prepared to take control immediately. Never rely solely on the system. Your hands should be ready on the wheel and your eyes focused on the road ahead. Regular maintenance is essential for optimal performance and safety. Keep cameras clean and free from obstructions, and regularly check autopilot settings to ensure they're configured correctly for your driving conditions. If you're ever unsure about an issue or if problems persist after troubleshooting, consult a Tesla service center. Professional technicians can provide comprehensive diagnostics and ensure your vehicle's systems are functioning safely. Remember, safety first. Your attention and readiness to intervene are the most important components of autopilot operation. Drive safely and stay informed about system capabilities and limitations.